Drop the bag on my teeth. I hope y'all not mad at me. It's been a minute. It's been a while. Like, hi guys, how are you? How you doing? How y'all doing? Like, I miss y'all a lot. Today is the day that I finally get my Invisalign. It's been 6 weeks. I have been waiting for 6 weeks to get them. I'm at my appointment. I'm just waiting in the car till they call me, until this buzzes. So yeah, it's very exciting. 6 weeks went by fast. I am happy about that. I'm probably going to talk to you guys when I get in, but I just wanted to come and say hello. The vlogs are back. I'm sorry I left y'all hanging for so long, but I'll probably talk to you guys later about it. But see y'all when we go in. Ooh, new teeth. Drop the bag on my teeth. Hey guys, it's the next day. I know I briefly came on camera to tell you guys that ew, it feels so weird talking, that I was getting my liners today. So this is actually day 2. I just wanted to give you guys some information about Invisalign and my journey that I'm starting. So yes, I'm doing Invisalign, so I'm just going to bring you guys in close so you can just see what they look like. Yeah, so that is what my teeth are looking like. I have attachments all in my mouth, and I change out my aligners once a week. So since I got my aligners yesterday, which was Monday, I'll change out them every week, every Monday basically. I go back for my next appointment in 8 weeks. So first day with them yesterday, it was really uncomfortable because it's something like foreign in my mouth that I'm not used to having there. So I'm still adjusting today with them in. I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to get used to these being in my mouth. And I do kind of have a lisp, as you can probably tell, but I'm not really tripping about that. And are they pretty visible? My phone ringing. Who's calling me? I don't think they're that visible unless you like right up in my face, but nobody should be that close to me unless you my man. Comfort level, like I said, they're kind of uncomfortable because I do already feel my teeth adjusting and shifting, and it's mainly like my top front teeth right here that I feel it's kind of like, how can I describe it? It's like tension basically, and yeah, it's uncomfortable. I wouldn't say it hurts, but it's just uncomfortable. It's not something that I'm used to. Of course, I'm gonna take my trays out so you guys can just see what my teeth look like right now, so that way in whatever 6, 7, 8 months we can just come back to this video, or you guys can just come back to this video for reference. So let me go ahead and pop them out real quick. Let my camera adjust. Can you guys see that? It's kind of bright. But these are what my teeth look like. As you can see, the attachments. Let me get in real close. And also I have these metal hooks right here because eventually, focus. Yeah, I have the metal hooks because eventually I'm gonna have to wear rubber bands eventually. So yeah, that's why I have the metal hook. That is my teeth. Let me go ahead and pop these babies back in really quickly. But last night I did have an Advil before I went to bed because like it was just so uncomfortable. I could not sleep. So I did pop an Advil. I think it's better to take Tylenol. So I'm probably gonna get some Tylenol pills. So I'm probably gonna get some Tylenol pills. Just in case like I have a headache or anything like that, because I'm sure I will when I change out my trays every week. If you guys like have any questions, just leave them down in the comment section and I'll either make another video or I'll just reply to your comment. They said it would take 6 to 8 weeks for me to get my trades, and it took 6 weeks. Thank goodness. So now I'm just gonna roll the clip of when I went in to get my scan. For this part, I'm gonna start scanning the bottom, okay? Okay. And open super big for me. So yeah, as you saw in the clip, they scanned my teeth. So yeah, if you guys, like I said, if you guys have any questions that you want me to answer, leave in the comment section down below, and let's just get into the rest of this vlog. Hey guys, I'm a redhead now. Hi. It's like, no, let me stop. I'm really not gonna really edit videos like that anymore because I just want it to be really authentic. Let me get into some light real quick. Oh baby, here's the light. The light is, oh, too much. Adjust. But anyway guys, I got this wig made. Shout out to Kayla for making this wig for me. But look, I'm a redhead now. Like, I didn't cut the lace yet or style it, so I actually plan on straightening this wig. As you can see, when I'm really in the sun, it's like red. You can really tell it's red. But yeah, I colored this hair a couple months ago actually, so I'll leave that video also linked down below so you can see how I colored this hair. I love this wig. I can't wait to customize it and straighten it and take pics in it. I have a whole look that I'm like thinking about. Also a little update on my aligners. I'm talking better in them, as you can tell. And ooh, and also this is day 4. Yeah, this is day 4, and they don't hurt as much as they did on day 1 or day 2 because of course my teeth are adjusting to them now and they moved into the spot they're supposed to be in now. So yeah, they feel better. But I just wanted to show you guys my wig. I did a little running around today, if I haven't already said it, which I don't think I did. Today is Thursday, so yeah, I just had some errands to run. I went to Walmart, the beauty supply store, and I went to go pick up my wig. I think that's it. But guys, they charging for plastic bags now. Like, they will find any way to get money out of us. But anyway, I just really wanted to come on and show you guys my wig. I mean, it look a little crazy right now because I haven't styled it or laid it down, but yeah, this is me and my red hair. Ew, why does something like that? So I'm gonna go, because I look a little crazy on camera right now and I'm outside with a camera. But I will talk to you guys maybe this weekend or tomorrow, because tomorrow's Friday. So yeah, talk to you guys later. Hey guys.
You're like a typical vlogger.
So I did my makeup today, particularly for no specific reason. But the light is this way and show y'all my makeup and my hair. So I customized this wig yesterday. It's the wig that I wore in my Misguided haul, like most of my last vlog. So I decided to customize it and change it. So I dyed it black. The lights, okay. Dyed it black and I cut layers into it. So yeah, that is all. I will see you guys back in a little bit. I forgot how to talk on camera. It's been a minute.
I'm always right.
Alright, hey guys, so we're back in the house and I got me a slice of pizza. For some reason I was craving pizza. So yeah, and yeah, I'm about to devour this and I'm just really loving this wig now. It's like softer now that I dyed it, and the layers, I freaking love the layers. Alright, so we're just gonna chill out for a little bit and I'm gonna eat my pizza. I gotta get used to being on camera again. This is kind of weird. Like, feels so unnatural. But yeah. Okay, see you guys fit.
Dang. This is a lot.
I know.
Wait, hold on. Ooh, hey. You know what I want tonight?
What?
I want some bourbon.
Some what? Well, what's good, people? I'm out with my boo thing, if you will. And yeah, I wish it was a little bit brighter in here so you guys could like see my hair.
Yeah, let's get into the beat.
Let's get into the beat.
Where's the hair from?
The hair is from Nadula.
Nadula, okay.
And I got this hair back in February, actually. No, January.
You had it for a minute.
Yeah, so I didn't get it till February. But anyway, because you know COVID hit and everything. But yeah, it looks really nice. It's actually like a red color.
Where are the lashes from?
The lashes are from AliExpress. And they only were like $3. But they take forever to come, like 3 to 4 weeks. But anyway, what is it? Is that more?
Rum. Well, I can skip the rum.
The rum will probably get you that faster than the tequila.
You guys vlog?
Yeah.
Which YouTube channel do you got?
It's my channel. It's called Jessica S. It's just my name. If you want to check it out.
Yeah.
You gotta check me out as well.
Oh, you have
yeah,
Nice. You got a YouTube channel?
Yeah, I got a YouTube channel by the name of my name, Karan Babu.
Oh,
Okay.
I'm going to check it out.
I am doing basically Maryland-based vlogs.
Okay.
I'm traveling those places.
Yeah.
When a visitor from outside country comes to States for traveling onto the East Coast, I'm showing those places which are not on the checklist.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, so
I
I'm
want
doing that stuff.
What is your...
Yeah, I was going to say, what is your YouTube?
Check you out.
That's dope.
That's the only thing
I'll just have water. Yeah. Thank you. Oh, that's dope. Oh, shoot. It's still recording.